Hey scientists, it's Miss Phillips. I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Discovery Ed notebook. Now, we did this in class, but I'm going to walk you through again because there are a few steps, and we need to read one of the articles here for our non-live learning this week. So, the very first thing in order to complete your non-live learning is up here where it says upcoming assignments. I have assigned you the article to read for your non-live learning. So this article here, how do fossils record the past of life forms? That article pairs with this section here, what is a fossil, okay? But I know that some of you are having issues, like I'm not your teacher on Discovery Ed, you still have Mr. Geography, so that's why I'm going to walk you through how to set your notebook up so that you can still read this article. So this is the shortcut. Click this here, but if you don't have this, follow along, okay? So we're going to go to the very bottom of the page where it says My Resources. And then we're going to click this green button that says Science Techbook. Once you click on the Science Techbook, you may be in a different place than where it says Omar is, okay? So this is what I want you to do. If it does not say California grade 8, okay, this is where we want to be. So if it doesn't say this, that means we've got a little bit of work to do. Omar is currently in the right spot. However, say his didn't say this, okay? This is what we are going to do. We're going to go up here where it says course. We're going to click that drop down, okay? Now, you may be most likely somewhere in grade 7 from last year, but what you want to do is after you click that drop down menu, go to the very bottom, and we're going to click right here. It says California grade 8. That's the one we want. We do not want new. Don't want new. We want California grade 8. So we're going to click that. And it's the same place we were because Omar's book was already set up. So now that we're here, okay, now we want to find where are we in science. So we're going to scroll down to right here. It says evolution in action. And then we're going to click on the very first box, Earth's history and fossil record. That's what we're learning about this unit. So we're going to click this box. And that will take you to the chapter of the book that we're using for this whole quarter. Okay, proud of you for sticking around so far if you're still here. Next thing, in order to find that article, we're going to go to Explore. And then we're going to go to page number 2. Here we are, we made it. So here we have our article that we're going to read. There are some cool pictures. There is a fun video you can watch. It's up to you. All in all, the article is about 4 paragraphs. At the bottom here are some additional things, optional if you'd like to continue your learning. I'm not asking that you do this. You can if you want, but we have our own version in our notebook, okay? So all I'm asking is you go here and you read this article. Now, if you don't remember from 7th grade, Discovery Ed has some really cool tools that you can use. And they're over here, this little bar. So first you can access the glossary, okay? I'll pop this up. You can look up words and terms. Awesome. Next, you can select the language. What I really like about Discovery Ed, I wish it had more languages, but if you feel more comfortable reading in Spanish than you do English, you can translate your textbook into Spanish. Okay? Again, it'd be awesome if there were more languages, but that's what we have so far. And then lastly, you've got all of these tools here, okay? Now, we're not going to go into all these tools right now. The only tool I want you to focus on as you read this article is the highlight option. This is really good for students who like to highlight as they read. Julia, oh, I'm talking to you. I know you're a big highlighter, so you're going to love this. As you read and you find something important, if you use your mouse and you highlight a bit of text, okay, a little box is going to pop up. From there, you can click this highlight button, and it will highlight that information for you, okay? In addition, if you're someone who likes to be read to, so someone else reads as you follow along, you can also highlight the text and click Speak to Text, where it will read for you. Okay? Awesome. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this works out for you. Again, this is how you access the book itself, but I also did assign it. I just know a few students, these assignments don't come up for them, so I wanted to walk you through it. All right, thanks, my friends. Good luck.